Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Tiny Land 18 Pieces Play Kitchen for Kids. This is one of the best toy kitchen set in the market right now. It comes with a pan and a pot, vegetables and super cute chef's apron and hat. We were very pleasantly surprised, and my daughter have played with it so much more than with her old kitchen. The fact it is so pretty and looks so nice in her room is a bonus. Including microwave, sink, refrigerator, ice maker, oven, stove, and range hood. With versatile lights and sound to simulate a real kitchen but not burns. Kids can cook, just like the grown-up chefs on TV. Inspire their interest to have countless hours of fun and play. New stove has light and 2 sounds to simulate frying and boiled soup. The range hood has real sound and light with button control. These light and sound functional kitchenwares bring kids a living cooking experience while not generate any heat to hurting them. The play kitchen also came with cute aprons and chef hats, cutting play food, toy knife, and pans. Everything a tiny foodie needs to prepare an imaginary homemade feast. All in this Tiny Land Play Kitchen. An ideal learning toy should grow with kids. Our play kitchen can easily set to 3 height stage to suit kids aged 3 to 7. You can teach your kids to learn about food, common skills, and cooking with giving them different accessories, or let them explore the kitchen while playing. Our second best kitchen set for kids is Cute Stone 93 Pieces Kids Kitchen Playset. Really happy with this one. She has been begging for a kitchen play set, and this one is perfect. All the different functions are really keeping her engaged in playing, even alone. It's also nice the variety of food options that come with. The best part is that it's a decent size and doesn't take up too much room. Pretend stovetop burner features realistic electronic lights and sounds. Place the pot and pan on the stove, turn on the button, the burner will light up and produce a realistic cooking sounds and pretend steam. The real experience adds to the role-play fun. The kitchen sink toy comes with a real faucet. Kids can wash vegetables and fruits in the sink and swivel faucet. When the cooking is done, chef can clean dishes in the sink storage bins and molded in shelves and dish rack, make organization a breeze. Kitchen toys come with large capacity simulation oven, simulation refrigerator, storage cabinets, and other storage space. Plenty of hanging storage keeps culinary equipment within arm's reach. It will encourages your child to keep his or her kitchen accessories organized, develop their good organizing habit. 93-piece play kitchen accessory set included electronic stovetop, play sink with running water, color-changing play foods, rotatable dessert shelf, mini blackboard, and kinds of kitchen accessories. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is KidKraft Ice Maker and 18 accessories. The style is trendy and neutral. It's a pretty manly kitchen, emo. The teal window boxes are a nice pop of color. Boys and girls will love it. Great size, a little too tall for a 1.5 years old, but soon will grow into it. I wanted something that could fit my youngest, and my tall 5 years old doesn't feel like this is a mini kitchen. I really wanted something that had the knobs for the oven with the lights and sound effects, an ice maker, and the faucet was a big bonus that everyone loves. Thoughtfully designed to fit all families, homes, and backyards, our items value classic imaginative play with nods toward technology to embrace a well-rounded, modern-day kids' needs and wishes. Recognized for its garden-to-plate play kitchen provides hands-on experience for kids. Kids can grow veggies in planter boxes that fit right over the kitchen ledge. Even write the name on the chalkboard label. Keep pots, pans and accessories in the two included wood grain look fabric bins that fit nicely on the shelves. Pull them out and tote to another room for on-the-go play. Ice Maker really works. Plastic ice cubes drop down when button is pressed. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best kitchen set for kids list is EPPO Play Kitchen Set for Kids. My daughter loved it and she keeps forcing us buying fast food from her truck. It is fun to play and educative. It has cash and coins so kids can learn math and money while playing. Daughter is enjoying the variety of pieces included in this kitchen package. It is actual hard plastic, not the hollow kinds that you find for this price. Definitely recommend this product. This little kitchen is so cute. Easy to set up, very well made, lots of details, easy to move, just like a real gourmet food cart. My 3 kids really love it and make a lot of fun with it. An ideal play kitchen set for the little cooks, through which the kids can acquire the basic knowledge of cooking, selling, etc. We encourage 2 or more kids to participate in this social game. The various accessories helps to stimulate the kids' imagination and creativity. Children can also play the game with parents and enjoy a pleasant day. Comes with so many play kitchen toy accessories, including stickers, cash register, tableware, stove, oven, pots and pans, hot dogs, burgers, chicken drumsticks, pizza, etc. The kids can participate the role-playing game quickly with those tools. Our play kitchen set is made of premium, odorless ABS material. Durable, non-toxic, no sharp edges. Safe to use for 3 years above. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Step2 Fun with Friends Kitchen. The kitchen comes in 3 big pieces, and are simple to assemble. All the small pieces and stickers were all in the box undamaged. Easy to reapply stickers if a little off. The sink is deep enough for a few items, the water knob moves. It comes with super cute, very durable cookware and dinnerware. Kids can choose their favorite blend of coffee and make a cup of joe to go in the Keurig-style coffee maker. The stovetop burner lights up and makes realistic cooking sounds when the pot or pan is placed on it. Store all of your kids' play food and kitchen accessories in the included storage bins. Still need more room? Store overflow accessories in the microwave, oven, or refrigerator? Kids will love cooking with a realistic open and close refrigerator, oven, and microwave. Play kitchens present kids with so many ways to practice their motor skills, like grasping and using small accessories and utensils, opening and closing doors, and turning oven knobs. Role-playing requires kids to engage in storytelling as they make up scenarios and communicate with others about what role they're playing. They also have to react and build off of what the other person said or did. Running into problems while playing, like trouble closing the refrigerator door when too many items are placed inside or trying to swivel the faucet over a full sink, allow children to think through problems and craft solutions. For details, let's watch more.